Yes, hello, hello. Here was one time just to show to you another example of StreamingFlow4J, continuing our examples and real time and practical examples. And so the last example that I showed to you, if you are just following our tutorial, is the third one. And the first one I talked about what is StreamingFlow4J, the theory behind it, and so uh, the the official the definition, what is recommended. I talked about the recommended for analytics in real time, and just this is processing massive data, big data. I made some, I talked so how it's easy to make IoT and show the platform in our API to make the management and show it how it is easy to make an IoT mockup. I made in the practical example in the second tutorial. And the third tutorial, this tutorial, I would like just to show how it's easy to make analytics, how I said before, for you. Imagine a situation you are making some, uh, uh, just making some sale and just buying something in a commerce, and you buy some product and the sale is it will be delivered at your home, and at that at last you pass in the process, digital process, when you make the buying, just the analysis of analytics system behind it, is a commerce, for example. Imagine that you want to to bring all the sales with products delivered where the sales value plus shipping is greater than 1,500 in a time frame of 30 seconds. In the time frame of 30 seconds, uh, just this sale value and shipping value, uh, the plus of this, all the you buying will represent something greater than uh, on 1,500, and so this will be translated in this query. This query will be input in this rule based, where a rule engine CP will understand this data passing and just trigger some information, this information that you made this pre-programming. Let's go to the practical example. This is the best thing, and so for you understand, of course, for you understand I used to say that StreamingFlow4J is the biggest abstraction, and so the best way is you understand is making some practical example, and I'm really running all the the Docker on the Docker. Uh, Let me just okay. All the Docker containers here are here. I explained in tutorials before how you make the building, the deploy, and everything. But do not lose the focus. I don't know explain. I don't know explain again. So I I guess that when you arrive here, you just pass it by the two tutorials before, how I say, and let's go start to the practical example. In this example, I want to make this dashboard, and this dashboard that I'm using is Freeboard. Freeboard is it's a great, a wonderful, wonderful resource and wonderful tool, free, free as well, free, as well. StreamingFlow4J, open source and free code, and you can just modify how you depending on your necessity. But uh, you can use any tool, any dashboard, or just construct your dashboard how you prefer. Following this example, we have just to create some event called sale, another event called shipping, and uh, this uh, this rule and the rule engine will start just to provide information and real-time data pipelines and RabbitMQ. We are using RabbitMQ in this tutorial, but we can use Kafka as well, Redis, and so. I used to say if you have some doubts, I have uh, uh, a lot of example here and just a lot of tutorial. If you have some doubts, and you just contact me. Just my contact, official contact is in our web page, streamingflow4j.io, and the bottom line of this web page, you can see all the information. If you go to the repository, and you will see my my contact there. Well, you can send message to me in social network, and well, I explained it for we do not lose the focus. I continue here. Imagine that we just can make analyze some sales by in e-commerce made by an e-commerce, and so let's go to the practice, make the rule, make the events, and to see the result. Uh, the uh, uh, the free boards have some problems to uh, execute the course and course questions, but I'm I'm just using just making free course processing, and just use more just to for who is a beginner or have no experience with this uh, with course and this is this dashboard, and you can just use the Chrome this way. How am I doing? Let's go to make it so. Um, Now we have the the Chrome with free cars programmed. Just call the free board here in this path. Yeah, the free board is here, and just use the yeah. You're gonna make the request. I'm using the this uh, this Postman tools, but you can use wherever you want. So it just you need to make the rest the rest JSON um, requestings, and so let's go to I just made some copy paste here just to facilitate that. So turn to the Postman, and it's everything just running, how I said, in the Docker, and you can just see it. Uh, you can just see it in previous tutorial. How I made the building, the deploying at this point. Uh, well, let's go. Just send us information. Well, we have here just to add the the event, call it sale with the price here. Let's go. Uh, go just to the next one. Is just to send a post creating the shipping. Okay, I'm gonna create the shipping. Okay, that's okay. Turn it okay. Now we just need to create the event now, because it recognizes the event, but uh, the engine do not trigger nothing because it has uh, no rules. But we're gonna create the rule here. This is that rule. The analytics, the analytic defined, and the e-commerce in real time. You will make this analysis because the rule engine will trigger. This is for this information for our consumer. So it's okay to now we just need to create data for this, and so okay. Um, let's create data. First, we're gonna create some selling sale here. Create some sale with the price 1,000 and 1,000, and this is the price. This is ID. Okay, it received the information. I just create the shipping, and it will in this moment it will just the engine will trigger this information for the uh, for the for the consumer. And when you create some dashboard that you're gonna create now, it will uh, capture this information. The football is amazing, so awesome. Every so awesome too because uh, it's so easy to use, and wow, how they have the same sense of StreamingFlow4J, uh, uh, free open source, free code, and so I'm a great fan of this. But as I said before, you can use anyway any dashboard that you prefer, Duilio or other professional and paid, well, whatever. It has saved the information just to create some campaign here. A text here in the text gauge, the ID, call the ID, and a save tutorial. And for example, you can just, yeah, this develop of, of okay, develop, save one. This is the value of the ID. Let me see some tutorial attributes. Zero. Type in okay the name. Yeah, the A. The yeah. This is the ID from the the sale. How I programmed before, and the second one you just put the value of him, and okay attribute zero and the value, and just put this ID. This is ID of the uh, the sale. If you create another sale, for example, okay, let's go to create another sale. Uh, the sale, you call this, and just to change how you see that in real time, just happening this, and so if you go there, sale, this just to create the shipping now. The shipping now will be the ID 5. Doesn't matter, but when you just see it, just make the update here. So guys, I think that that's it. It's another example how I decided before I explained for you. uh, I will keep making continuing this. This is the basics example, but we're gonna advance in this and examples and make some complex advance and advanced example. So this is just one more for you. I hope you enjoy, and I thank you very much um, if you arrive at now, and just concluding uh, the third uh, the third tutorial. Thank you very much.